Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and today we have a Vettsy video. Thank you so much to Vettsy for sending me this really cute package. So here I'm just going to be opening it up briefly and showing you guys what this package consists of. And by the way, I will have a discount code for you guys on the screen and link down below in the description box if you're interested in saving some money if you decide to purchase this particular item or just things off the Vettsy website. So these are gel polish pots. They are gel polish that do come in a pot. So here I'm just showing you the instructions, how to remove, and unfortunately the little swatch sticks did come broken, so I wasn't able to use those. It also comes with base coat, top coat, and matte top coat, which is a plus. And here I'm just going to briefly show you all the colors and their name and what they consist of. So here I'm starting off with this one, and then I'm going to move along to the following. And I wanted to mention, as I was watching these colors, I realized that they were very pigmented and very creamy. I love how they're not runny or anything like that. And I like how you're able to manage the amount that you put on with the brush. The brush actually went amazingly with the gel polish. The way that you guys see me swatching these, just very smooth, very creamy, and just very easy overall to work with. And I love how with the brush you are able to manage how much gel polish you put onto the nail. And also I love how it wasn't bulky or like too thick to the sense that, you know, it was hard to work with or whatever the case may be. So it was actually very nice to work with these. It was my first time, I believe so, but in the past I had purchased, you know, gel polishes from AliExpress that were in a pot. So these are definitely really great quality, and I will have everything linked down below for you guys if you're interested, like I mentioned before. So here I'm just gonna let you guys finish enjoying these swatches. So these are what the colors look like with one coat, and yeah, I just wanted to show you guys these swatches. I honestly love the colors. It reminds me of like the rainbow. Very pretty. They have a bunch of different sets, by the way, so that was a really nice. And I already did my nails off camera. I was already planning that I was gonna keep whatever set I did on, so I already had my nails on. I used the jelly tips from a Double Dip by Bellavina, and I mean the Bellavina by Double Dip. I don't know, I think it's like two companies in one now, so I apologize if I didn't say that right. But yeah, I am wearing those tips. And then I did use the 4-in-1 by Bellavina that you can also purchase through Double Dip. I will have my discount codes as well if you're interested, if you want to purchase anything from there. So first I'm beginning by applying the base coat. So now we're moving on to applying the actual gel polish. I like to begin at least 3/4 of the nail. I like to start from the bottom and work my way up to the cuticle area. I also like to leave a gap between my nail bed and the actual cuticle part, just because it gives it that really beautiful look in the end. So that is the way that I like to apply my polish when it comes to gel polish, and this really helps me before, whether it's a regular gel polish traditional bottle or something like this in a gel pot. I like how with both methods you should always calculate how much product you're going to need throughout the nail to be distributed evenly, just for your nail not to become bulky, uneven, or like lumpy if so. So that is really important because you want your gel polish and just your overall application to look flawless and plush and beautiful. So it is trial and error. With a lot of practice and persistence and patience, you will get there. I used to struggle a lot with painting nails. I didn't know how to, and now thankfully I have practiced enough that I understand, I've kind of like tweaked and understand what works best when applicating gel polish, at least for me. But whatever works for you, that is exactly what you should do. So here I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the polish to the rest of the nails. And I decided for my right hand I was gonna do a whole different one. I wanted to do 2 different ones just to show you guys. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. So this particular gel polish was definitely my favorite because if you guys know me, I absolutely love all things girly, glitter, and just really cute. Like, that's just my style. So I loved how this incorporated different types of glitters along with flowers on top of it. So I thought this was so beautiful. And they also have this collection available of all different colors with flowers and glitters just like this, and I absolutely loved it. So that's why I wanted to do the combination of the lilac with these. I thought it went really cute. And yeah, I definitely wanted to keep a set on. Now that I have a hand that I purchased, I could definitely do more sets on myself and just do more content with my practice hand. So yeah, I really loved this glittery one. Definitely was my favorite. But yeah, I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the process. And now lastly, I'm just going to go ahead and apply the top coat. I loved the top coat, honestly. It was a very, very nice top coat. One of those top coats that it just blurs out any errors or any lumps that might be left behind or whatever the case may be. Just literally, it's one of these top coats that it just makes the nail look so plush and beautiful. So definitely loved this top coat. So here I'm just applying the top coat to all the nails. Going in with my Blossom Cuticle Oil that I purchased through Amazon, and I'm going to be applying that to all the nails. And then that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you all. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what you guys thought about these gel pots, if you guys have tried them before, if you like them, and let me know what you guys thought about this particular nail set. Thank you guys once again. I love you all. I'll see you next time.